Star of these broadcasts, Orson Welles.
We know now that in the early years of the 20th century, this world was being watched closely by intelligences greater than man's, and yet as mortal as his own. We know now that as human beings busied themselves about their various concerns, they were scrutinized and studied, perhaps almost as narrowly as a man with a microscope might scrutinize the transient creatures that swarm and multiply in a drop of water.
That were causing all of the issues. One here connected to one that was in the equatorial region of the sun, and then connected with another one here below the equator. They're now filling in once again, but you can see this large coronal hole. This will probably not affect us too much. This one in the northern hemisphere of the sun. But once again, you can see as the sun is moving from the back side, you can see the coronal hole starting to form. Watch it. Something is interfering with the sun back here. You know, ladies and gentlemen, there are satellite craft behind the sun. Stereo imaging, you have stereo ahead, which gives us a look from the Earth to the sun. Stereo behind is a view from behind the sun towards the Earth. Well, guess what? Last year, they shut all of those cameras off. They can see them, but not the general public. Why did they shut them damn things off? Because we would have been able to see what the hell was going on back here, and why all of the disturbances continue to come from the left side of the sun as it rotates towards the Earth. Common sense. Am I a liar? No. Is NASA a liar? Yeah. Are your governments lying to you? Hell yes. Lousy pukes.
Ladies and gentlemen, we interrupt our program of dance music to bring you a special bulletin from the Intercontinental Radio News. At 20 minutes before 8 Central Time, Professor Farrell of the Mount Jennings Observatory, Chicago, Illinois, reports observing several explosions of incandescent gas occurring at regular intervals on the planet Mars. The spectroscope indicates the gas to be hydrogen and moving toward the Earth with enormous velocity. Professor Pearson of the observatory at Princeton confirms Farrell's observation and describes the phenomenon as, quote, like a jet of blue flame shot from a gun, unquote. We now return you to the music of Ramon Raquello, playing for you in the Meridian Room of the Park Plaza Hotel, situated in downtown New York.
My personal belief that there is no doubt they are trying to cover something up that was in the footage, and it sure as hell isn't Venus. It's just not Venus. So, you know.
Yeah, that's definitely not Venus. Yeah, that's definitely not Venus. Yeah, that's definitely not Venus.
Am I a liar? No. Is NASA a liar? Yeah. Are your governments lying to you? Hell yes. Lousy pukes.